Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy. My name is Frostbite, and welcome to Frostbite Gaming and Blogging. I will start today's video because I will start the video of introducing myself this in this video, but in the second video I will show you the blogging and the gaming and all other things that I can do in this channel. So what's up, guys? My name is Frostbite again, and I'm a Filipino. I think not mature teenager, but I think it's you're gonna like me, or you or all of you gonna like me because I'm a first teenager Filipino but not matured. Yeah, that's is what kind of this? Oh, sige, tatagalogin ko na lang. Hindi ko kayang tapatan tong mga to, pero papabutin ko to 1 million subscribers. Hope you enjoy the first video that I will made, and thank you for subscribe, like. Oh, this is my game. I will show you it in the second video or the third video, because in my second video I think it's gaming or blogging, but next time I was sure I'm sure that I will show my face to you, and I will show these games and my blogging. Yeah, and thank you guys for watching. Thank you again. Bye.